In this video, I'll show you how to switch Wise account language. I will try to not waste your time, so let's get started. Step 1, log into Wise. You can open a Wise app or website and sign into your account. I will leave a link to wise.com in the description down below. Step 2, go to Profile or Settings. On the website, click your name/profile in the top right. On the app, tap your profile photo on the top corner. Step 3, select Language Settings. Find and select Language and Appearance on web or language in the menu app. Step 4. Choose your preferred language. Pick your desired language from the list. On web, select it and click Save. On the app for iOS and Android, follow prompts to adjust device app and language settings. Step 5. Confirm your change. The language of the interface will immediately update. You will need to restart the app for changes to apply. Now I have some tips for you. You can switch back to a different language at any time you want. And if you're using the mobile app and the menu isn't available, change the device's primary language to update the Wise app too. And that's how you switch your language on Wise. I hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe if it was. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments.